Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire.
Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat. Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her socials.
So from the title down below, you guys can see that this is my birthday preparation and my overall birthday vlog. Alright, so right now we are basically preparing. So I'm gonna pack up my stuff them. Guys, I don't have my microphone today because I don't know what happened to the microphone one time I have it on. I don't know what happened, but I am packing. I'm going to have to get the camera that moves with me. So I'm packing up my suitcase and stuff. So without further ado, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell to be notified whenever Dipped in Chocolate uploads another video. So let's go pack. So I'll be showing you guys my OOTDs, outfit of the day, and OOTN, outfit of the night. So I have two options. So it's either, my god, I bet things my up on the bed right now. So the guys basically say women, and I'm going to have to take an Oxford bus to the destination. So my outfit for the journey says either gonna be one out of these two. Says either gonna be this crochet crop top with this leggings and my blue Crocs to match the crochet top, or this jeans shorts, my green and white top, my green slippers, and my bag. What do you think? I might just go with the Crocs because I want to be as comfortable as possible, or I might just go with looking cute, which is the green set. The green set is giving more, you know, cute and organized and stylish. Alright, so I also have this set, which is gonna be a dinner set. This is a dress from Shein. Nice. It have the little thing on the side right here. I'll be pairing it with a black bag and my black strap of ears. And then I have this dress that I bought from where's the place called? Birmingham when I was away. This is a green satin dress that I will be pairing with a clear heels. Cutesy, right? And then I will be pairing it with my silver rhinestone bag. And then I'm not gonna show you the birthday fit. The birthday fit is something else, but I'm gonna show you everything else. You know, something nice so I can wear throughout the time. You know, nice little flats. Plus I'll be carrying this pink slide. This will go with my birthday swimwear and birthday clothes, birthday heels, slippers. I'm never gonna show them then after the day I'm showing this right. So guys, I have to continue watching to see. Alright, so I have this romper set. I think this was either from Temu or Shein. I might wear it, but I'm not sure. It's so cute. I might wear it, but maybe not. I'm still gonna put it up too, but I would love to pair this with gold. It is like mustard. I give mustard. It's not yellow, guys. It's more green. It's either lime green or mustard. It's so weird. Like in the light, it's showing like it's mustard or yellow, but in the dark, it's showing lime green. That's really crazy. But I'd love to pair this with gold. This and a gold ears, but I don't know if my gold ears will come in time. But I'm gonna bring it just in case I feel like I want to wear it. I would if my gold ears don't come in time, I'm going to pair it with my gold slippers. See? So gold ears and gold slippers. this match this. These are some stuff from either from Temu or Shein, I'm not sure. What else? So I'm just gonna pack the suitcase now. Tomorrow I have an ear appointment. Oh my god, I can't believe. I'm tired, you know. Like tomorrow I have an ear appointment at 10 a.m. I might reschedule because that's way too early, and I have an ear appointment at 5 p.m. But I might just reschedule because trust me, I don't think I can, you know, like 10 a.m. in the morning, and then I don't really have anything to do in the day, and then 5 p.m. go back on the road at 5 p.m. So I'm going to make them be like closer in time. Like for example, I would just do my nails first, which will be in after 3. Like I'll do that like around 12, and then get my hair done at about 3 or 4. What do you think? Because waking up that early to get to my hair appointment is diabolical. So no. So I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow when I finish doing my maintenance. So guys, this is the next day. So today is my appointment day where I'll be getting my nails and my hair done. You see some hair done at this, you can't let my hair go back, because one thing about me, I don't really like to go to the hair salon and get my hair cornrowed because some of them too aggressive and my hair very tender. You see my scalp, I don't know if I don't know what happened guys, but it's tender bad. So if you even I try to it or comb it out a certain type of way, it's very hot. Like it hurts bad. It hurts so bad that I might get a headache. So I try to do it myself. Take my time and do my hair by myself. So now I'm going to my nail appointment, which was at 5:30. Now it is 2:59. But I rescheduled because I had a lot to do. So better me just go do it now while I have the time, and then go do my hair at 5. So hope that she can do my nails in the next hour so that we can go to my ear appointment by 5:30.
Oh, plum. So that's the after do.
One of the nursing friend them tell us she's pregnant. She's not.
So guys, this is my nails. I always wanted to do an almond shape design, but I never got to do it because I was so you know, kind of afraid for the almond shape, seeing that, you know, not everybody can angle it the way. But I love doing my nail tech, did my nails. So I'm now heading home. So I'm now heading home to go get my hair done. My hair has been under this little bandana from there. I might be looking like a mad woman, but I don't watch that. I'll get my hair done. I might even change my hairstyle because I was thinking about half up, half down with two strands at the front of my head. But I might just do a side part. Because me I tell you, to be honest, today has been so freaking exhausting. I was supposed to get my hair done from 10 a.m. and my nails done at 5 p.m. and then I got class in between those time. But it ended up say me never get to do what I'm supposed to do from the morning. So I don't been do from morning, and plus me have to cook because I have visitor in my yard and I can't let the visitor them hungry. So now me I go try get through the night. The time now is 6:22. More I reach up by 7:30 before 7:30. Reach up by 7:30. Can just get me hair done and prepare for tomorrow. I have a bus to catch by 10 a.m. I need to. Mighty God! I need to leave by 8. have to wake up early to even pack again because we know make a figure something. So make a pack again. Watch his speed bump, you know. Make a pack again and get everything in my suitcase this time. So okay. Guys, look at my head. Check out my nails again. So my head bald. Me there home now, so I reach home. Then the taxi I go, I reach home. The hairdresser, she will come pick me up at my house, and I'll go to her house and get my hair done. So you guys will see me when I'm at my hair appointment. The time now is 6:56, so yeah, on time.
Yeah, YouTuber.
So guys, I am now home and this is my hair. Actually, I was just about to look at my watch. I think it's like 11 minutes past 12 now. So I'm going to finish my classwork and then prep my bag because I feel not prep my bag, check my bag because I feel like I leave something. After that, then I go sleep, wake up 8 o'clock or 8:30. Forget one in drive for Garden Oxford. I like my ear. I don't know something about it where could have been better or could have been more glammed, but you know it's kind of come up. But it's cute. It suits me. I like my nails. My nails was definitely come up, but it kind of turned out alright. I was supposed to do my lashes, but my friend couldn't get through. Well, me too busy. Me just couldn't get it done, but I definitely put on the regular lashes. Yeah, so this is a 20-inch unit. Cute, very cute. I never wanted to do no side parts or no middle parts. I definitely wanted to have a little twist, so I think it's cute. What else am I supposed to do now? Yeah, nothing else. I gotta take a shower, go get something to eat, and finish my schoolwork, and then go to my bed. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's now 7:07. Let's get ready to go take the Oxford bus. I'm going to take a shower. Tired. I went to my bed after 2 last night because I had to finish my schoolwork. I'll see you when I get a little shower. So we're leaving out now.
Final stop. Our first stop will be at the departure area for persons going on to a flight. Then next to.
So guys, we're now at Sangsters Airport. Just come on, it definitely look like there's a plane that will take. But we'll see. So we just got a taxi and we're heading to the hotel now. My hair is still in
Don't call me on the dot. Alright. Give me like an hour. Yeah, no. Space out it.
So guys, I have a bar over here, a big nice bar. You know, I'll be taking advantage of the bar. And now we are approaching the beautiful view. So we're approaching the beautiful view. Over there I have the rooms. I have this magnificent view of the Caribbean Sea. Beautiful. This is what I'm talking about. Check-in is at 3 and it's now 2:32. We're gonna get some lunch because lunch ends at 3. I want to get something in our stomach, so let's go get some lunch. Shave. Oh, see that? I may or may not get proposed to today, so we never know. We never know. Where the food there? Photo shot really? Look at the move. No, honestly, where food there? Guys, where the food there? That's your phone. You? You want that? So guys, the moment of truth, I could say, if I be a star food, I could say what I go with. So me get the brown stew chicken, baked chicken, jerk chicken, mash with some white rice and some steamed veg with cooked down chicken. I could see what I be a star go with. Bad. It's not bad.
This put on the side.
The puna? With rice?
But
What that
that dumpling. Yeah, dumpling. Him have enough things in a theme plate, guys. Theme plate festive.
A pork to be. Pork to be.
A pork?
Isn't it like chicken? Is it?
So guys, finish eat the food. Now it's time for dessert. Grape nut ice cream, potato pudding, cheesecake and chocolate cake. Murder. So, guys, it's 3:05. I will finish eating. We're going to check back in. We're gonna check in. We're gonna check in at front decks right now. So let's go. So we're walking to our rooms now. So when we enter into the room, there's a little hallway before you reach into the bedroom. So you have this fully stocked fridge and you have the tea section with your little stuff over there, your drinking cup and everything. And then we have the closet on the left. Then we'll go into the room, we see the king size bed, we see the couch, we see the TV. They can go on the balcony where you have the garden view. Two nice little seats out there, very cutesy, nothing too much, and the sun rise on that side of the hotel, so we get the sunrise every morning. Guys, I'm gonna take a shower and then get ready to go to the pool. Right, I'm taking my watch, but I think it's now almost 4 o'clock. But I'm gonna go down to the pool and see what's going on down there, maybe get some drinks and then start my birthday vacation. Guys, so this is my outfit to go to the pool. Murder for Samantha for real. So I'm gonna go and get some drinks from the pool. I need me watch for my hand. Come ever look for my hand, I'm gonna have my watch. So we're going to the pool right now. So I dropped some curls in my hair. So this is how I'm looking. And I have on my Tommy Hilfiger slippers. This is outside on the balcony. So we're gonna go to the swimmer pool and get some drinks now. So let's go, guys. So guys, we're out on the pool side. So they look like they're doing some construction over there. But this is us. Alright, round 2. With the drinking, let's hear some too small. I'm not supposed to drink. But round 2, I think it's Jamaica Delight we're about to drink. Second drink. So guys, we're going back up because we're so cold, plus I'm kind of sleepy, so I'm gonna go take some rest before dinner later, and I'm gonna do my makeup and get ready for dinner. So let's wait for that. I go to the room, guys. Now I'm gonna feel good. I feel type of way. I'm gonna sleep. No, I'm gonna play my head a spin. Leave the room alone. I'm on a boy. True, man. Alright, guys. So now I got my makeup, curl in my ear. About to go eat some dinner, and maybe go watch the show in the lobby. Not in the lobby, in the theater. I don't know what the night has in store, but you know, we're gonna be outside until my birthday, which is 12 o'clock. The time now is 8:49, maybe 8:50 right now. I'm just gonna try to get my hair curled and try to get out here by 9 o'clock. I was sleeping just now and I woke up around 8 o'clock. So now I'm trying to get ready so that I can, you know. Me say my ear curl my ear, you see man, the worst thing for her to do. But guys, you guys will see me when I get dressed, alright? Love you. So, I'm gonna be, you know, oiling up my skin. I'm putting on, I wish I had brought my other lotion because this lotion does not give full coverage as the other lotion did. Going to lotion my legs because it's like a romper dress. I love this dress, this is so cute. So guys, this is my outfit. So this is me, and I'm heading to dinner right now, looking very cute. With that, I wish we did have a light. Wish we did have a light or something. Wrong way. Yeah. I'm looking very cute. I give this all outfit an 8 out of 10. Nice man, clean. So watch me go get some dinner. So guys, tonight is Mexican night, so it's burrito and I'm something there. And we're late. You know, very demure. So I'm gonna get a plate and show no what I'm going. So guys, we're here again. You have love in the flash. We're here again. So tonight is Mexican night, Spanish night. So you know I have a little burrito, but it's not like a full-blown burrito. It's like half of it, and I put my stuff inside. I'm gonna wrap it up and eat it. And I have a pizza at the side. Like guys, lunch was epic. Like lunch was really good. So I didn't have to really like do too much. But I have my chips with my cheddar. I don't remember what cheese it is, but we have the cheese, and we have the different type of pizza, and we have the Spanish food. So we're gonna dive in and see. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Oh yeah, because I'm like. So guys, cheers for my Chardonnay. Korean honey. And this pizza, I'm not sure, don't quote me guys. I think it is Arkansas fish, because I've been tasting Arkansas fish outside. We were late for dinner, like it's not my fault. It's his fault, not mine. His fault. So guys, we're going to the performance in here. So let's see what they're going on with.
Two. Open your hand. Open your hand. Because that's not two. You said two. That's not two. What is it? All right. Hold. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Let me get the magic bag. You can see that it's empty, empty, empty. Over here, it's empty, empty, empty. All right. Oh. By the way, gentlemen, as you can see, magic, yes, check it out. As you can see, magic, no, reach inside, reach inside, reach in. Oh, look away. Oh, the zip. Sorry, zip the zipper, zip the zipper. It's empty, jeez. Nobody believed the magician. Okay, it's fine, hold on to this. Now, you're gonna put those inside. Let's put those inside. Watch. Can you see them? Alright. Whatever you do, do not, and I repeat, do not break away. Pick it up, pick it up. Pick it up. Oh, you can't see from? Oh, you can't see from so far. It's okay. I can improvise. You can't see from so far. So let's improvise and that. It's a little closer now. Now we can see everything. We have little cucumber, big cucumber, and little cucumber. But right now, I'm trying to chop the little pieces in half. I'm not too sure about the big cucumber, but it's blocking. And by the way, this is not blood, okay? It's ketchup. It's ketchup. Don't worry about it, okay, Jerry? Question for you, Jerry. Is it touching you? Nice, that's the idea, man. Do not move your head, man. I will move it for you. Hey, not like that, stop it. Watch. You alive? It's on? Okay, it's on, it's on. Come on, give it up for Jerry! Finally, it worked tonight.
show was beautiful. So let us see what time the club starts. Them say 11 to 2, but me not sure. No, after 10, like maybe like about 10:30. So I'm gonna wait until maybe 11:30. Might go up to my room and find something to do in the meanwhile, but until then, I'm gonna just go and chill and wait for more information about the club. So guys, we're gonna take some pictures by the pool. It's so beautiful, like it looks like, yeah, I don't remember, I'm not sure, but it's like the luminous waters. I said it look like beautiful, may I tell you. So guys, stop. So we are going to the nightclub. We're gonna see what's going on. I'm just, you know, chilling, walking there in my ears. I don't know why I did that to myself. I should have just went to the room and go put on my slippers. But I'm a Barbie. I'm a Barb. And the Barbs never take off their heels. So let's do this. So I don't know where I go, by the way, but we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna go. My makeup is eating, I tell you. Babe, you like my makeup?
Yeah, I do.
He likes my makeup. A movie. That's what you call a fucking party. My foot a kill me. Me I must, yo, me a wine in the ears, my back a hurt me. My foot a hurt me, everything a hurt me. I'm tired, guys. Y'all will see me like when I get back to the room. But for now, I'm signed out. So guys, we reach back to the room. I'm just gonna wipe on my face and take a nap. So you guys will see me back in the morning, okay? Love you. See you in the morning.
Good morning, guys. Here again. So today is my birthday, and today I'll be wearing pink. So guys, I'm tired. Sleep all rotted, you know. Me rotted, guys. I had, you know that I put on press on toes. The two of them are gone. It was them gone. Last night was a movie. But after 9 now and breakfast closes at 11, I'm more and go downstairs go find something to do and enjoy myself. Maybe go to the spa, I'm not sure. So I'm not gonna talk to them. I'm gonna get ready. Alright? Give me a minute.
So guys, look how cute this is. I literally got this bottom shoe. Yeah, I maybe got it in City Trends. Yeah, I got it in City Trends, and I got my bodysuit from Shein. It's so cute, right? Cute. It's giving boss a girly, like when I pull up in my I saw look. What am I gonna do? Me, I go set me ear and get ready. Like me, I literally leave out of the house in the next 10 minutes tops. So guys, we're going down to breakfast and might go to the pool. Might go to the pool. So this is the outfit of pink today.
Ooh, we have Jamaican food tonight. Breakfast time. The people them tell me can't come in here because my boobs outside. Let's see how them are coming in. So guys, I have now finished eating and I'm gonna go get something in the gift shop. Look glowy. So I look glowy. So I did not record inside of the store, but I don't know why my phone is so foggy. Why is my phone so foggy? Don't piss me off. Phone foggy, man. Did not record inside the store, but now we're going back up to the room. He's tired. I'm not really too tired. Like, I have a little bit of strength in me. We might go into the gaming room, but we have a look here. So this is their games room. It's cool, it's nice. Nothing too much, you know. So guys, up in the room, resting off a little bit because you know last night I had a blast. I take over the whole dance floor last night. Maybe input some clips out. Oh my god, this man outside is making so much noise. Let me go back inside. I make so much noise, guys. My lip them dry. My lip them dry as hell. Yeah. Going back down now. So guys, you know, you see the fishermen are the, what do I call them, people of them? The people in the vendors. Yeah, the vendors at the front. You have some pigeons. So I'm going to the water right now. Going to the bar. Watch out, the one curl left here now. Everything is dropped. The one curl, look at that.
Give me a second, let me get back your drum.
Pick up for the morning.
You can't get my phone out.
It's definitely a creeper. Sweet. I should have on a slippers in the water because the water is not too clean. But I'm gonna have on those to make a check out the pool instead. Rain, guys, rain. A blessing still. We're not fight it. I get some jerk chicken and go up at the room. I'm out. We're back for lunch.
We need to go hungry again. Like, to be honest, we just want to sleep. This is the first time we come into the buffet and the buffet full. So we're going to check out what them have today. I'm not lie, them cook good, like them food actually tastes good. I really love that because I've seen some reviews of some other hotels and people have said no, the food tastes nasty. The food angle for true, like it really tastes good, to be honest. Oh, Miss Julie. Guys, I'm now heading back to my room. Just booked a reservation for the Japanese restaurant and it's at 8, so I might start get ready by 5 so that I can get ready in time. They say I have a grace period of 15 minutes, and if I pass 15 minutes, then if I'm late 15 minutes, after 15 minutes it is automatically cancelled. So I'm going to see if we can do this. Reach up at the room now. I go watch some movie and relax, look a bit before later maybe press and rest off a little bit. So we can see how that's work. So guys, I never really rested enough. Never really rest. I just let it chill, to be honest. I never really like to sleep or nothing. But I remember I have the reservation at 8. I am going to go downstairs and just lie down on one of the beds until maybe like 6 o'clock. I think after 4 now. That makes sense. Me each up in our room. Nah, I do nothing. You know? Let's go and chill. Okay. I don't have to dress. No, we're just down here. We're just gonna just walk up and down and check out everywhere. I check out one gaming room. This one gaming room. I don't know how I see it's one ice cream shop over there. So we're just gonna check out the places there and try not to eat nothing or drink nothing.
So I fish there. And then I have some fish.
So guys, we're in an ice cream shop. Thank you. Where? Huh? So this looks like it's another restaurant. I'm not sure. I might check this out tomorrow. So
I'm back up in the room. It's now, I think, 20 minutes to 6 o'clock. So therefore I'm gonna start my makeup because the reservation is at 8 o'clock, and I do take a long time to get ready, so I might as well just get my makeup done and then wait until later. I take some pictures, but I'm gonna just do my makeup, have that finished and put aside, and then get my clothes on by 7 o'clock and go take my pictures and then go down there for the reservation by 8. Okay, let's go. So guys, this is my face. Don't know if y'all like it, but it's cute. You know, simple and cute. Guys, this is the look. Alright, I'm showing it. I'm showing it again because you know my can't see the full thing. So this is the look. Beautiful. Everything came together perfectly. And I'm just so grateful. I'm now heading to the lounge to do a little nice like a photo shoot, and then I'll go to dinner. I'm gonna look at the time now and see what I'm gonna do next. But the time, I have to check the time every minute so that I'm dead on track. Guys, this is the restaurant, Samurai. Beautiful.
Before you get into bed. The last thing I want to fall apart when you leave my side. Alright guys, it's not a boiling, alright? That's on me. I don't know why. Don't worry, give me a second time.
Respect.
Thank you.
So I can't like turn over the rice tonight, right?
Yeah, man, I can't turn.
I will get the more bubbles.
So you guys alright?
So guys, I came from the restaurant, finished eating and everything. Went to take some more pictures. Now I am taking more pictures, and I'm also going over to the night, you know, the after night thing that they keep. After dinner thing, I mean, that they keep. So let me see if it's still going on. Guys, the after dinner thing is finished, and I'm not going to any club tonight. I'm not in the mood at all. So I'm just gonna play some pool and just chill until it's time for me to go to my bed. Okay, let's go. So we're just in the lobby bar getting some drinks. You know. So this is my margarita, and this is blue, ocean blue. It said don't smell, don't slip. Just show.
All the way. Question. You guys know DJ Khaled?
Yeah.
And another one. Another one.
You're both real alright.
Later, you are going
So guys, I'm back home. I'm back inside of the room. When I take out my makeup, take out my clothes, and go to my bed. So guys, I'll see you back tomorrow. So I'm gonna just go to my bed, maybe watch some show and go to bed. Why the camera looks so? Alright, better.
I just wanna take you there. You don't gotta know where. Does he touch you here like this? Let me take the friction from your lips, and I'ma love you, girl, the way you need. Ain't no one gon' stop us. Ain't no one gon' stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm the drug in your vein. Just fight through the pain. It's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's.
Good morning. So we're here. I'm just wake up. I try to catch breakfast because breakfast ends at 11. Now it's 10:30. I slept away. I never really do nothing much last night more than take some shots and drink some liquor. Birthday was nice and subtle. It was a grown birthday, you know, a nice good 21. But for this year, so that I made the best of my 21-year-old self, and the one needs to be done. Make sure say I have most of my goals them ticked off, because I'm 21, honey. 21. That's a lot of years. Wipe out my camera. My camera ever flat me. But yeah. Back to our original place. Food. Lunchtime. Alright. Might just get a full breakfast, yeah. And just fill my belly. One thing that me gonna do. Get something full in. This is my breakfast for the morning. With my tea. First time coming here and drinking tea. I always a drink juice or something. A female look American. So come, I go play volleyball in the pool. But maybe in a video, cause I can't. I need to relax myself now. But when I come out, I go video.
You gotta get 10 points. Come on up in the line, come on up. Alright, you gotta do it for me. Practice it. A little bit more soft. There you go, too much soft. There you go. Oh.
They're doing some construction, so you're gonna hear the drilling. But I got 5 and my boyfriend got 10, but he didn't win. Somebody else got 20 something, so they won like a class to do mixology tonight. That was their prize. Right, we shall get an ice cream. So guys, we're at a different part of this hotel. So we have the beaches, the Grand, and the suite. I'm not sure if we're at the Grand or the suite now, but we're definitely not at the beaches. Crazy.
I think this is the
So, yeah. God don't make me something for me. It's show my body. No more. It's a go ride up. It's now lunchtime. So let's go get some lunch. To be honest, my belly full now, guys. My belly full. I don't want nothing else to eat, but I go eat. Just give me my food. What about rice and fish and this and that and this and that? Alright. This is how lunch is looking. Mine. And this is his. Wanna dance? Wanna dance? Up from the pool and I'm just chilling in the bath, you know, nice little bubble bath, just chilling. I might soon get ready in the next 30 minutes for dinner at about 8 or 7:30. I'm just chilling, you know. So I'll see you guys back when I'm getting ready for dinner later.
So guys, I'm just up and stuff, so I'm gonna get ready now after 7 now. I'm gonna leave out by 8 o'clock, so basically an hour or I want to leave out in the next 45 minutes. So I'm gonna do my hair, get myself ready, and go for dinner. We're passing the pool. I love how the pool looks at night. Like, I don't know if we can go in there at night though, but I would love to go into the pool like right now, to be honest. I wonder if we can go back up like after and come in at the pool, come take some pictures, because this really looks freaking good. So even in the sea, you guys see the sea over there. So it's really a nice view down this restaurant. Oh my god, it look like, well, we'll never know until we find out. So we'll go down there to see if it's open. I'm talking a little weird right now because I think that my, what I call my molar, you know, it'll grow, so it'll really affect me speech, because it'll pain me like really bad. I feel like my gum grow over the teeth, or the teeth are push through the gum.
and it has swell. Like, my mouth swell right now, guys. And it really affect me how I talk. Because it even, I make my throat. I feel like my throat sore. Maybe I have to go to the dentist, go take it out myself. Or just bear the pain until it grows.
This is empanada with bread and butter, and I don't remember what she said, but it's looking nice. This is the appetizer. So let's dive in.
Alright guys, I hope you guys are seeing me. So this is the bread and butter. It looks bougie. I could test it out and see how it tastes. Tastes like cream cheese instead of butter though. Tastes good. Empanada, aka beef patty. And the original fruit punch. They put so much ice in it.
What's this eating? What is it?
The bread. Appetizer, a good 8 out of 10.
So guys, this is the main course. I don't remember the types of chicken or meat that she said is here, that are here, but it looks delicious. These are the different sauces. Wow, beautiful. And she's coming with the wine. Let me tell you, the place hot. Beautiful.
Nice. Just everything is just amazing. They dip the fries in some ketchup. I think this is the pork. I'm not sure if it's the pork. This is beef. Amazing. You can tell that it's marinated. Miss Netta, what you say about Jamaican food? Don't play with me, sis. Don't play with me. It never gave that. Never.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, go shawty. It's your birthday. You gotta party like it's your birthday. Happy like it's your birthday. Eating cake like it's your birthday. Drinking champagne like it's your birthday. 1 time for the birthday queen. 2 times for the birthday queen. 3 times for the birthday queen. Mash it up, it's your birthday queen. Go, 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 go. Happy birthday.
Number 2. Step forward. Number. She laughed you it. All right, make a round over to my right. Make a round over to my left. And DJ. Face the cookie. This is your chair. Team KK, this is your chair. Now all you have to do is run on out, sit on the chair, and give me the correct answer. I need the name of the artist and the title of the song. And if there's a feature,
so I'm heading to the nightclub. I wasn't gonna go anywhere tonight, but might as well. We're going to the nightclub, check it out. If it's a going with something, and then we'll just come back maybe to the bar, take 2 shots, and go to our beds. Right? Try to wake up early tomorrow morning. I'm not lie, the face and fleet, the face angle. So not really never dog one, so me I go back up. I go drink, take some shots now. I got my bed or whatever. But if I take some shots and go in bed, if I'm not check in back with you guys, just know say I'm in bed, my gone, yeah? We're at the bar. Chocolate? Coffee here. Coffee, yeah. With brandy. Good morning. So I went into bed last night. I had a little nice good time at the bar. The bar was nice, nothing too much. It's just them a fly, guys. Don't watch that. Cause I don't know what I'm. But my teeth hurting me as hell. I don't know what me I could do. Maybe I might just go to the dentist. Like it's literally swelling up. I don't know if I can see it, but it has swelled. Also, I'm checking out today, but I'm gonna return this and also gonna eat some breakfast, call the cab, and get ready to go home. I might just go to work
right as I reach Kingston. Guys, I know it's breakfast time, so let's waiting for the host to give us a seat. So the last day we lived in like luxury, so you know we have the view out here, so and everything beautiful metal, nice. Seeing that today is the day I'm leaving, I'm going to get some jerk chicken and see if I can bring jerk chicken with me later, if that is possible. Finish eating. Let's have chill by the poolside. Really tired, guys. Exhausted, man. My back are hurting, my teeth are hurting. That's a lot happening right now. So go and chill, you know. I wonder if I go up and put on my bath suit and go and swim until that time for me go home. You don't know. After 9 now still. So guys, I just check out and heading to the lobby. So I checked out, but I'm going for my jerk chicken. So I go for my jerk chicken now and get out of the place, and I think it's 12:09. My Knoxford bus is at 1, so I think the car is outside waiting on us, but I need to get my jerk chicken, so they have to wait. Guys, this restaurant, I didn't get to come to this restaurant, but I went to the Japanese, I went to the Jamaican cuisine, and I went to Uncle Tony's, but I did not get to go to the Italian one. Next time, I'm playing games.
Marie, where you from? London in the place. Marie from London, yeah, man.
We're leaving, guys.
For additional comfort, your seat can be reclined. If you're sitting to the body of the unit, run your hand along the side. You'll come up on a lever pull, brace back.
So I stop off Jaxal, Knoxford stop off at Jaxal and I get something to eat at Jaxal. So this is how it's looking. Hope it tastes good. Heading to Kingston now.